question 1 is asking to show that 5 is a member of A. Yes, 5 is a member of A. As you can see, 5 is here. So the answer for this one would be C. Question 2 is saying that given that pi is equal to that, find the area. The area of a circle is pi r squared. So that would be 22 over 7 times radius 7 times 7. 10 into 7 itself 1 and 7 to 10 1. So we're gonna multiply across, so that's 22 times 7, and that gives us 154. Question 3 says find the area of the triangle. The formula for the area of a triangle is half the base times its height. So we'll have half, the base is 4 times the height, which is 7. Here we can go and cancel 2 into itself 1 and 2 into 4 is 2. We multiply across, we get 2 times 7, and that's us 14. There's a squared, the square that is supposed to be here, area squared centimeters squared. Okay, the next question now, we're supposed to solve this. So we can just go ahead and cancel out here. 2 into 2 goes 1, and 2 into 10 goes 5. 4 into 4 goes 1, and 4 into 4 goes 1. We multiply across, we get 3 over 5. So our answer is this. For number 5 now, it's a division. It's a bit different. So we will have 15 over 20. And we know that whenever we have the division sign like this, we have to flip this one. So that would be, in order to get it to be multiplied, so that would be 30 over 10 times 5 over 10 also. 10 right here. Okay, so we can go ahead and simplify. Here we can see 5 into itself 1, and 5 into 20 is 4. We can see 5 to 15 goes 3, and 5 into 10 goes 2 times. So it can be cancelled with 3, 3, 9, and 2, 4 is 8. And that is the same as 1 and 1 over 8. Okay, this question says, what type of triangle is this? The type of triangle is acute. This is an acute triangle. So the answer is A. Number 7. A car travels at a total speed of 240 kilograms per hour. What is its average speed? So in order to find the average speed, we're gonna have 200 over 4 hours, and that simply gives us, so 200 divided by 4, that gives us 50. So number 7 is 50 kilometers per hour. Okay, this one says a boy makes the following scores at a cricket tournament. What is his average? To find the average, you're going to add up all these numbers. You're going to find the total of these numbers, and the total that you get, you're going to divide it by the total amount of numbers. So that would be 8 plus 20 plus 3 plus 0 plus 5 plus 9 plus 15 plus 12 equals 72 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 divided by 8. And 72 divided by 8 gives us 9. Okay, convert the following fraction as a percentage. So 710 as a percentage is 7 over 10 times 100. Percent out of 100. So that's cancel. And 7 times 10 is 70. So that's 70%. And it says express the ratio 4 to 1, 4 to a quarter in its lowest term. So we can multiply 4 by 4, that's 16. So that's 16 to 1. Okay. And this one says divide 1100 into 2 parts in the ratio 3 to 7. So we're going to divide in. We're going to see how much the parts of 3 get and the parts of 7. So first we're going to do is find the total ratio. So we're going to add 3 plus 7. 7 plus 3 or 3 plus 7 same thing. So that's 10. So the first part, 10 out of 10 times 1100. What I cancel out here. So that's 7 times 110. That gives us 770. So right here you can see that our answer is D. Okay. If 25 kilograms of butter cost that, how much does 8 kilograms cost? So first we need to find the cost of 1 kilogram. So that would be 37.50 times 25 divided by 5, sorry. So it's 37.50 divided by 25. And that's to find the cost of 1 kilogram. So 37.50 divided by 25, that should give you 1.5. So 1 kilogram costs $1.50. And to find the cost of 8 kilograms, you're going to multiply that by 8. And that gives us $12. So the answer for number 12 is B. Number 13 says find 168 squared. 168 squared is simply means 168 times 168. So you're gonna multiply 168 times 168 and you're supposed to get A as your answer. The next question says find the square root of 16 over 25. The square root of 16 is 4 and the square root of 5 is 25. So the answer is D. Okay. If A is that, find a complement of A. The complement of set A. So this is set A. So for number 15, the complement of set A would be 2, 4, and 6. Complement is what is not in A. It can also be written as A. That's how normally written.